It's Music Therapy Week, and with that, a new academic scholarship is now available for wāhine entering into this specialist career. Jen Glover from the Raukatauri Music Therapy Centre, founded by Dame Hinewehi Mohi in 2004, says thousands of New Zealanders have found a way to express themselves through music therapy, and the scholarship will allow more people to help support their journey. Mare Haimonariki with this story from the Tāmaki headquarters.
Giving special tamariki an opportunity to grow and develop through music.
So this is the Kate Edgar Charitable Trust Master of Music Therapy Award. It's been funded by the Gutting Family Foundation and it's supported by the Raukatauri Music Therapy Trust.
Jen Glover has been pushing for a scholarship for music therapists, specifically Māori and Pacifica women.
Music can tap into those parts of the brain that are still healthy. It can create new neural pathways as kind of workarounds from the parts of the brain that are damaged. And it also taps into the pleasure center of the brain, so it makes us feel great when we're engaging with music.
They've helped babies as young as 1 to a kaumatua of 103 years old. And Glover says there's no such thing as a typical session.
It is hard to see a particular session. Certainly, music is the underpinning thing for all of them. We do have a big focus on improvisation. You know, we definitely recognize that engaging with another musician in instrumental improvisation and vocal improvisation is one of the most amazing ways for people to feel heard, particularly if they're people who are non-speaking, who don't have a verbal means of communicating with someone else.
This time we're going to have to use these instruments.
I know, we can use that one first and then do a song on the keyboard and the drum. What do you think?
9-year-old David has been coming to the centre for 5 years now.
He's a little guy who has had a lot of challenges, who has one of those rare disorders like I was speaking of, and has also had a number of strokes in his short life. So we were really working on just that early stage communication, early stage movement.
Goodbye, everyone, goodbye.
David is now walking and talking and singing and has even used music therapy as a place to make friends. A number of the years that he's been with us, he's attended with other children so that he can use his musical skills to also develop friendships.
The trust was established in March 2004 by singer and songwriter Dame Hinewehi Mohi, whose daughter Hine Raukatauri was born with cerebral palsy.
This is an amazing place also then for their families to connect with other whānau who might be going through the same thing as them. So in addition to the child receiving therapy, the family gets a lot of support when they're here with us.
The scholarship is for $8,000 per year and can be renewed over the course of 2 years, and also includes an internship with the Raukatauri Trust as a pathway to employment.
It's live on the Kate Edgar Trust webpage. We are hoping that we get applicants for the 2023 academic year. So all of the information is on the webpage. Certainly looking at academics, looking at commitment to the field in the future, looking at any hardship that might be there for the candidate as well.
Mare Haimonariki, te Ao Tapatahi.